Oh, that's better. Hey Trev, welcome. Today is Monday, 17th of February. Welcome. I hope you have a great week. I hope you had a great weekend. Mine was good. Yeah. Yesterday was a quiet, well, yesterday I mowed the lawn yesterday, so as you can see, that's all cut. And now I'm just about to do the other half. Yeah, getting a bit bushy. I want to do it before we get any rain. So they're predicting rain this week. So now I've just got back from community driving. I've got to do a little bit more later today, so it'll be good. Now in this vlog I'll be putting up a meal. Actually, I did a meal a week ago, last week, not the weekend just gone, well, previous weekend before that. I made up a meal, so you'll enjoy that. Yes. And also pick a town, so I'll be putting up pick a town, yes, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I've got to go and mow this lawn. I'll see you shortly. I've just finished mowing the lawn right down the back. Yeah, it wasn't much, didn't take long. I just wanted to get it done before we get any rain, because it is cloudy and they are expecting thunderstorms tonight or this afternoon, so they reckon, but we'll see. Anyway, was a little bit damp down on the grass because the temperature dropped around about, it would have been about 5 o'clock this morning. The temperatures dropped, yeah, so it was cool. And I really thought we were going to get some rain early this morning, but it didn't happen. It was threatening, but anyway, got it done. Now my next lawn I'll be doing tomorrow, which will be the front lawn, but that depending on the weather, of course. If it rains tomorrow, well, I can't do it. I'll do it another day. But anyway, the front lawn's not as long as the back lawn, so I wanted to get that cut. But it looks okay now. Yeah. We're going to be cooking, yes, in the air fryer. I bought these chicken steaks. They're actually marinated chicken steaks. They're actually mango, yes, mango marinated chicken steaks. They're very thin and they are fresh. So I've got 4 here, so I'm not going to cook 4 tonight, so I'm just going to put these in these bags and just put them in the freezer for another time. Yeah. So it's a gooey mess, so I'm going to put this one in there. They've been actually frozen. I've just defrosted them actually, so I can easily park them. So I'm just going to put that one in there and put another one in another one. I could put them separately because otherwise they stick together after defrosting, and then they make a mess too as well. So these are really beautiful in the air fryer. So if you've got an air fryer, you can cook these. I've done these before and they are cooked beautifully. So I'm going to put these in there, and these are going in the freezer, of course, for another time. Where do you get it? Where do you get the chicken steaks? They are fresh as buggery, because really, in Wangaratta, if you go to a place called the Poultry Place, I think it's called the Poultry Place, which is near Woolworths. So if you're going to be shopping in Woolworths, make sure you go to the Poultry Place, get some of these marinated chicken steaks. Yeah. So I'm going to do another one. So, because I ordered 4 of these to go in the air fryer. Yeah. I'm a bit of a mess because my hands are gooey and slippery. So I'm just going to... Alright. So hard to open when your hands are all slippery and slimy. So that'll go in there. Yeah. Lock it up. So we've got those chicken steaks to go in the freezer, and we're going to use this one to put in the air fryer. Look at that. Beautiful chicken steak. Now with the air fryer, my air fryer is a 3.5 litre, so it's only a small one, and it was cheap, which I bought at Reject Shop. So it's enough. You can make enough meal for just one person, maybe 2 people. So if you want to feed a family, you'll probably need a bigger one. A little bit more expensive at different stores. So, but with me living on my own, well, I only need one so I can cook for one. Yeah, so we now got a little rack that comes out of that. Yeah. So I'm going to close this curtain because I get too much light in here. That's better, eh? That's better. So what I do, I get a bit of oil, olive oil, and a bit of canola oil spray. Now, the reason why I have 2 of them is that I'm going to spray the rack of the air fryer. You only do it lightly, you don't have to put it too heavy, you don't have to smother it. Just smother it a bit, just a little bit. Done. There we are. Then you just put that in there. If you can see what I'm doing, I'll bring it over here, so there we go. And then we just get our brush and get this camera down a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Yeah. So there's me meat, a chicken schnitzel, or chicken steak I should say. Just put a little bit on a brush, just brush it lightly over the steak. You don't have to go too fussy, and do the same on the other side. This will prevent from sticking to the rack. So that's pretty well done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this steak inside there. So there you go. The marinade steak inside the pan, if you can see. Yeah, looking good there. And we just shove it in the air fryer. Okay, we've got it set 200 degrees, 200. We've got a timer, and I'm going to set this for 20, well, about 20 minutes, let's say. Okay. Oops. My hands are slippery. It's finding it hard to turn it. Okay, 20 minutes. It'll be done. So usually about every 10 minutes, so the next 10 minutes, I'll just flip it over. Yeah, so you can take it straight out, flip it over, leave it in for another 10 minutes, and it's just done. Now, while that's in the air fryer, I'm going to dish up some salad, some beautiful salad. I bought this in Woolworths, and I quite liked it. Because I haven't before. It's called buffalo style chicken salad. Yeah, it's got corn, bacon and creamy dressing. So that's what I'm going to have. That chicken steak with that salad. Buffalo style chicken salad. That looks really good. So I'm just going to some of this around in my plate. Put it on the side. You don't have too much, you can save it for another time. Some more. And a bit of bacon. Just top it up with bacon. See what I'm doing? Yeah, don't do much. And some chicken, buffalo style chicken. Like that. And a little bit of corn. There we go. Just a little bit of corn. We'll save some for next time. This is only enough for 2 meals. You can have 2 people really, so I might save that for another time. Yes. And you've got the dressing as well. You can just pour it over. I might just get a spoon. So just spoon it out. That'll be the best idea. Just have it over like that. Looks good. Wouldn't you like to come to my place? I'll dish you up a meal. Haha, yeah. And this is a good one for Valentine's Day. That's coming up this week too. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine. Yeah. So, alright, so that's all done. And I'm prepared to put that chicken steak with that. That will be my meal for the night. Now, what we're going to do with the air fryer, it's halfway now. It's 10 minutes. So while it's going, you can actually pull it out. While it's going, that's fine. And get it with tongs and just flip it over. That's looking good. And we shove it in again for another 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I took it out of the air fryer. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to put that there. Beautiful. So there we have it. Mango chicken steak, marinated with a little bit of port wine, bit of tawny port. Beautiful. And this is made in Brown Brothers wines. They're not very far from here. So, thank you, Brown Brothers. And a little bit of sea salt on my chicken. Just a little bit. And have a little taste test. Cheers. Happy Valentine. Now let's give it a go, eh? It's looking good. Scrumptious. This is really good. The chicken is very tender. Why don't you get why don't you get an air fryer? And it doesn't take very long. It's no mess, no fuss. Yeah, cook chips. You can cook chicken, fish, pork chops. And you can also good for baking cakes, like muffins too as well. Yeah. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh yeah, we've got rain today. rain. Me Trev, welcome. Today is Friday, 14th of February. And you know what day it is? Yes, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine to each and every one of you guys out there. And I hope you're having a great day. Roses to you. Yes. Okay, so now I've got to go and pick up my brother Peter because we're going out for lunch at Hollywood's. If we can get a table. And it's beautiful, nice rain out there, so and something where it's really needed. It's only started not long ago, about an hour ago. It started raining. Yeah. So, and it's humid. Oh yeah. Oh, bit of lightning over there. We're getting a storm. Over in the west. Lots of lightning over there. So it's going to be threatening at the moment. It's not raining at the moment. But, anyway, happy Valentine's Day. Again. Oh dear. And it's a beautiful night. It's the evening actually. So I've got to mow this lawn sometime. I just haven't been able to do it. It's getting long. Look, we've got a friend in the grass here. He's in there. What are you doing in there, puss? Jeffrey. What are you doing there? You're beautiful. Aren't you? Oh, beautiful. She's having a good time in the grass. Look at that. Big streaks of lightning at the moment. Oh. Oh. Pussy's coming to feel my feet. Yeah. You're beautiful, aren't you? You're beautiful. You're so free. She's very affectionate. Yeah. I'll be lucky to see some lightning. You know, we've got a storm brewing, but we're not getting it direct. But we could get it. We don't know. It looks threatening, coming from the west. But we haven't had much rain, really. We need a real good drenching rain. And, I mean, we've only had showers, just odd showers every now and then. It's nothing heavy, nothing in the rain gauge. So, you know, it's funny, you know, because a lot of the places over in the east coast have been affected by the bushfires. A lot of people lost their homes and people lost their lives, trying to get back together again. So those bushfire affected areas are now getting flooded. They're getting floods. Yeah. But we're pretty lucky here. The wind's brewing up now. We've been very lucky in this area. We're pretty safe, but who knows? You never know. Disasters might struck. You know, we had a big flood, a bad flood, all the way back 1978, I think. Probably in different times of the years, we've had numerous major flooding. And the 1978, I think could have been the worst I've seen anyway. Because the flood waters only got up 2 houses down from me, as far as the water got up. I mean, down the creek was absolutely just like a lake, you know, swamp. You know, it was just absolutely flooded, sheer flooded then. So we haven't had a real major flood for quite a while. I mean, we've had, a few years ago, we've had some flooding, but it's been a while. I think we might be overdue for it. I don't know. It is lightning over there. So I can see streaks of lightning every now and then. We're going to get a pounding eventually. You know, just watching, it's not raining at the moment, but just watching these storm clouds brewing over, full of lightning. And you can actually be silent, you can actually hear the rain. You can actually hear it roaring. That's heading over the western areas. You can actually hear it. Are we going to get it? Or is it going to blow over? Well, eventually we've got rain, and we've got thunder, and we've got lightning. So we've got some action, eventually. And it's 8:15 in the evening. Come on, baby. Show us that lightning. Yeah, yes. Come on, baby, give us some more lightning on this Valentine's Day. Bring it on, baby. Ah, yeah. Oh. Come on, baby. Bring it on. Wow. It's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah. May Trev, welcome. Today is Saturday, 15th of February. It's a bit dark, isn't it? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, 15th of February. And it's after, well, we had a storm last night, but we didn't get a great lot of rain. I measured around about 4 millimetres of rain. That's all we had. So it was sort of just thunderstorms, thunder and lightning. That's about it. So today it's a different story. A little bit of cloud about, but it is very warm, very sunny. And so anyway, today, of course, now yesterday, I hope you had a great day yesterday. It's Valentine's Day yesterday. I hope you had a great day for that, and I hope you fell in love with someone. But it's not always the time you have to have a girlfriend or someone, you love someone on Valentine's Day. It doesn't matter if you've got a friend, if it's your best friend, well, happy Valentine. It doesn't really matter, does it? It was a good day. Anyway, today, now the day, usually the day after Valentine's Day, has been my parents' wedding anniversary. And my mum and dad, yes, they got married 62 years ago, 1958, on this day, today, on the 15th of February. Yeah, they would have been married 62 years if mum and dad were still alive. And of course, mum and dad passed away. I don't have parents anymore, but they're in spirit. We do remember them. And but they lived a very happy life in their marriage and their time. So, but anyway, now today I've got to hit the road to pick a town. Let's go. We'll pick a town. Mate Trev, welcome to Pick a Town. Where am I? Yeah. Boorhaman. That's how you pronounce it. Boorhaman. It's not even a town, really. It's a very rich grazing country. Small settlement. Lots of hay, lots of cattle, and a lot of vegetable produce. Yeah. So let's have a look. We'll go through. We'll have a look. We'll have a look at the cemetery. Then I'm going to drive through. So let's go through to Boorhaman. Now here we have is the Boorhaman Cemetery. This is the entrance to the Boorhaman Cemetery. So we'll go and see what's in there. Follow me. Down this gate. Very quiet. Yeah. Not a very big cemetery. Not a large avenue of trees. And yeah, not a very big one. Find a lot of the descendants of pioneers who pioneered the area, the farming district of Boorhaman. Just walking down the cemetery lane. Yeah. And we've got some more over there. Looks like a lonely cemetery way out in the middle of the paddock. So as you can see, there's not very many graves, but there are a lot of descendants who lived in the area here in Boorhaman. Some are very old. Yeah, look at this huge gum tree. That is huge. How would you like to cut that down? Well, I don't think they'll be cutting that down. No way. That tree stays. So we'll go down the lane and we'll get back to the car and we'll push on. See, some of these graves are so old. They could be dating back. What's this one? Died in October 1910. My God. That's Alexander Mackenzie. Barry Mackenzie died November 1909. She was 53. That one's 1914. In memory of Ellen McKinty. So I'll list them. And you'll probably be a lot of unmarked graves around too. Such as one there. Looks like an unknown grave. No headstone or nothing. So as I said, there'll probably be a whole lot more around unmarked. That's a toilet. Yeah. That's the only building on the cemetery. Alright. Let's push on. Okay, now we're just approaching Boorhaman. So I'm just going to drive through because there's not much here. I'll just show you a few things as we go past. Very dry day, very hot today. Bit of cloud about. We have a what we call on the right, we have a golf club. Boorhaman Golf Club. Yeah. And like a reserve over there. And some residential areas. We have a pub on the left, Buffalo Brewery. They make their own. They brew their own beer, so if you ever come to Boorhaman, that's the place to get some good homegrown beer. We're coming into a church. There is a church. Oh yeah. That's the church that Ned built. Who's Ned? Ned Kelly. Australia's famous bushranger. Yeah, he actually helped to build this. This was one of his, I guess, one of his jobs that the sort of abide his time to do. Yeah, that's history. Ned Kelly actually didn't build it himself, but he helped other guys to build it. Yeah. So that's it. That needs to be, or that's well preserved. Of course, Ned Kelly dates back in the 1800s. So this is probably part of the Ned Kelly trail. But that's about all there is, folks. This goes to Rutherglen, Springhurst. So that's the church. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed. That's all there is at Boorhaman. A little settlement. It's a very quiet area, and as you see, it's very, very dry country. Hardly had any. Well, I've had no rain. A little bit of greenness here and there, but you know, it's pretty good. I think if we get some good rain, I think this will become green again. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed Pick a town. Well, I hope you enjoyed Pick a Town. I know it's only a small place, so it's interesting. I just love going to these small settlements like Boorhaman, because it was once a thriving town in its heydays. Yeah. So today, now you can hear a pin drop. So I hope you enjoyed Pick a Town. So I'll see you next time at the next place. Could be your town, could be anybody else's town. Bye. Now, I follow a YouTube family who do vlogs, and I've subscribed them, I follow them, and they follow me as well. And that is the smaller half from the US. The smaller half, I better say that, not smaller half, half. Now, I've been watching one of their vlogs, having breakfast. And they were using, they were having a packet of Hershey's Kisses. Yeah, it was their Valentine's Day. So, Hershey's Kisses. I tried to look for them here in our shopping aisle here in Australia, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't see it. So, looks like we don't have it in Australia. But we may get it later, I don't know. So, but what I have found is Kellogg's Hershey's. New Hershey's Chocolatey Bites. Now, I bet you haven't got that on your shelves. In the US. Maybe you have. You might have. I don't know. It's under Kellogg's. So Kellogg's and Hershey's, well, I presume Hershey's would work under Kellogg's now. They've probably merged, so that's probably why we're seeing a lot of Hershey's products here in Australia on our shelves. And but I don't mind, I don't care, I don't mind American products. American, I like that. American. And so anyway, we're going to try it out. I've never tasted this before. Hershey's Chocolatey Bites. So I'm just going to try one, and then I'll have some with milk. It's like having breakfast. You can certainly taste the chocolate inside of it. Yeah. They're very much like a small square parcel with chocolate inside them. So I'm just gonna put a few in there. Put some milk with it. Yeah. I wouldn't put sugar in it. If you put sugar in it, it would probably be too sweet. It's sweet enough as it is. But very crunchy. Yeah. Right, alright. Bad. So there you go. You'll find these on your shelves here in Australia, especially Coles. Kellogg's new Hershey's Chocolatey Bites. Try them today. Yeah. So, I'm going to put a link below in the subscription box. The smaller half. click on the smaller half, you can go to their channel and subscribe to them. They're very good friends, nice people. I recommend it.
Trev, can you make me a milkshake? 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 Milkshake?
Yes, okay. I'll make a milkshake.
Oh, goody. Yeah, Betty. I want chocolate. Chocolate? Ah, good. Thank you, Trev.
Now, before I finish this vlog, yeah, Milkshake Trev will be coming back. Yes, he'll be coming back probably this week or next week, but we'll see what time permits. If I do the milkshake this week, it'll be on Thursday's vlog. If not, it'll be on next week's vlog. So we'll see how we go. Now, I must apologise. I haven't done any music video clips on Trev's music channel and BitChute. I haven't done any of that, so I'm a little bit behind with things. I just don't get time to do things. Life gets in the way. So I will try and do some clips this week and we'll get them up next weekend. So hopefully time permits. So anyway, yes, Milkshake Trev will come back and make your milkshake. So yes, Frank, I'll put a heap of cream. Heap of cream. So, anyway, until Thursday, my next vlog, Create Harmony. Peace. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed that meal as well. The apricot chicken steak, and also the Pick a Town, and that breakfast cereal I just had. It was nice. Okay, bye.
I could see love in her eyes. She's got a future up ahead. She's the nicest girl I've ever met. Sweet talking name.